हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो अगर आपने हमारे चैनल हानो किड्स को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और साथ ही लगे बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाइए ताकि हमारी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक ज़रूर पहुँचे।
Down, front, and back. Hey guys, have you seen my shoes? It's missing. I can't find it here. I didn't see it. I was busy setting my ball pit from the morning. So tired. Hey Chia, did you see my shoes? I'm searching for it everywhere. I'm fixing my treehouse. I didn't see anything. Oh, my tennis ball. Where is it? Oh, baby, you're the only one left. Have you seen it? Huh? No. I was playing with my digger. Yesterday my socks were missing. Today my shoes. And my tennis ball too. Huh? That too? Everything is vanishing. I don't know what to do. What's going on? This will help. Yes! I found it! Hooray! Oh, thank you, baby. I should hide everything from Bingo. Oh, my buddy. You were a great help. It's so heavy! Uh-oh! How will I get this to my treehouse? Huh? You okay, Chia? I'm trying to get this on top, but... Oh, I can help you! Look at my boy! He will get your things up! Okay, go on! Go on! Tia, call me when your treehouse is ready! Of course! You can play with me then! Again? Oh, these balls! What happened, Dolly? Do you need any help? Oh, yes! I need to fill this. Can you help me with that? My digger will help you. Come on, buddy.